So if the new padlock, any fingerprint also can access. So just now add the master admin. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, successful. Lock. So another fingerprint cannot use already. So just now add the master admin second. Oops. 2, 3, 5. Okay, second master admin successful. So this cannot. Okay, so just now try second master admin to program for the second user. Touch master admin one time. Okay, successful. So just now. So this one cannot. So successful to program setting. So just now need the master reset. Press and hold. Until read light. Leave. So touch one time. So reset already. So any fingerprint can access. So this one. Okay. So full charge is a 1 hour more. Can full charge already.